In this episode of Muskoka Bros, Jesse hits a tree with a stick, and I get very upset about having to pay $7 for firewood.
I split wood all day long. I don't want to spend $7 on firewood.
Bummer.
Welcome to car camping in Algonquin Park.
Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Muskoka Bros. I decided to plan a trip with Jesse and I, and we're planning a trip to go to Mew Lake in Algonquin Park, and we're gonna be camping out of this puppy right here. But Jesse and I are gonna hit the road. We've got about a 2-hour and 36-minute trip from Weller Fork. Thought this would be a good introductory for the boys to just see what it would be like to camp out of the car and to see what Algonquin Park is all about. This was kind of a last minute thing. We're just gonna see how it goes. So we're at Site 100 on the, I guess, the radio free side. So I guess the most quiet that you can get. We'll drive our vehicle right on site. So we'll probably see other people and, you know, sign some autographs and all that stuff. So I have a bunch of crap in here. So yeah, I'm gonna lay these seats down, and I'm gonna get some cushions from my old trailer, and I'm gonna make it a little more comfortable. So there's a lot of space in these Jeeps for 2 people to sleep. 2 is probably the max you'd want to put in these things. So time to put the seats down. So those went down pretty easy. Just gonna get the old winter snow brush and get some of the crap and twigs and all the winter crumbs out of it. Alright, I don't want to get too fancy here. I'm gonna put a few other things in it, and hopefully we won't need too much more space than this. So this is basically our trailer or our tent or sleeping quarters for the night. We'll see if car camping in the Algonquins is fun. Alright guys, this is me in the back. I think it's pretty comfy, to be honest. I'm gonna have to sleep kind of on an angle, but he's shorter than me for now, so he's gonna get this side, I'm gonna get the other. There's enough space. But yeah, so this is gonna be a fun little trip. I just have to put in everything else. So like sleeping bag, pillows, cooler. I think there's more space once you get the seats pushed all the way up and the headrests all the way down. Alright, so more to come tomorrow. Alright, Jesse. You ready for Algonquin Park?
Yes.
Have you ever been to Algonquin Park?
No.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm really excited.
Did you wet your pants a bit?
Nope.
A little bit?
Nope.
Just a squirt? No? Okay.
No.
Alright, yeah, so we're headed to Mew Lake for an overnighter. Just to get Jesse used to Algonquin Park and just to kind of show him how amazing it is. I think we packed a fair amount, probably too much, but that's the great thing about car camping is you can overpack because you've got your vehicle. You don't have to carry everything. So yeah, we're gonna hit the trail, and Matt and Joshua are gonna meet us up there probably around 8:30, 9. So it looks like it's gonna be just you and me for a bit. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. All right, let's do it.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in.
Hey guys, so we've arrived.
Yep.
How was the trip?
Pretty good.
It's long, huh?
Yes, as long as anything.
Oh, excuse me. What do you want? I've got no food.
We'll give you food at the end of the day, though.
Yeah, so we stopped off at Algonquin Outfitters, and yeah, we were a little disappointed by the customer service. They weren't that friendly, but the one that is in Huntsville, they're usually always on the ball and pretty helpful. But could have been that it was a Friday and it was near closing time, and I get it. Alright, yeah, so we're here at Mule Lake. We're doing a bit of car camping. I don't do too much of it because I prefer not a lot of people around, but I figured to introduce Jesse to the Algonquins and to kind of show him what it's all about, we would hit up the car camping and ease our way into it. Have you ever slept in an RV? Yeah.
Yeah. One day we went to Buffalo Brad's. If you haven't watched Dylan's video, go to that link. This is a really interesting feeling for me because I haven't been camping so much lately.
Because of winter, right?
Yeah, winter. Bummer, but but still, I'm happy that I get to go outside with my dad and have some fun.
Well, I'm glad to have fun with you too. This is some of my favorite times, is getting to spend time with you and getting out into nature. And the bugs are a little crazy, so we're gonna have to get the old bug dope out.
Yeah, probably gonna spray the Jeep with it.
So here at the site, you're not allowed to bring in wood. So we brought in wood, but we're not going to use it, I don't think. We'll see. Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer. But I guess it's because you never know what woods you're bringing in and what different species you're introducing to the environment and stuff like that. So I kind of get it. But at the same time, it's like, I split wood all day long. I don't want to spend $7 on firewood.
Bummer.
And they also don't let you cut down any of the deadfall. Another
bummer.
Minus to doing this kind of car camping stuff. So this is your base rate of camping as far as I'm concerned. And this is more of your family dynamic if you want to be in a safer spot where you know that
bummer.
Odds are you're not going to get mauled by a bear or anything like that.
There's so many flies.
Alright, so yeah, we just got our chairs out and we haven't done much. I can already hear people, like...
Bummer.
Oh well. Car camping. As I keep saying, Matt's gonna be on his way. He gave me a call. They're probably gonna be here later tonight, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. And if I can't burn my wood, I'm gonna have to go buy some.
Bummer.
So, I might go do that. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll go. We'll see you in a bit.
Alright. Alright, so we've got the fire going. We used a little bit of birch bark and a little bit of fat wood. It wasn't really going as well as planned, but all the same, it's going. We had to buy a bag of wood, which in my books isn't really camping, but I mean, who cares? So we want to get the Jeep kind of situated for our sleeping stuff. I think we want to eat something. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. I had a hamburger and that stuff, but like, I'm still hungry.
Alright, maybe we'll get some food out. Brought a pretty big cooler full of stuff, and we'll kind of snack away at that. Sounds good? All right.
I picked those hot dogs for us.
I'm going to ketchup though.
I don't care. We'll just stick it through a stick and call it a day. That's actually what we could do. Stick it through a stick and call it like wiener.
You want some apple juice?
Yeah, sure. Done.
Alright guys, so we're gonna cook up some hot dogs and to see how those taste. What do you think, bud?
Yeah, just like stick it on.
You want to stick it on? Okay. Here.
Just watch out, it's really hot on the end.
Pick kind of a big stick, bud. Oh, you need a thinner stick. Not a dead one, man. You gotta get like a live one.
It's okay. I'll just use this one. Then.
Still pretty thick, man.
That's okay. I have them in there.
Okay, don't burn her.
2, 4.
So yeah, I'm not very good with directions, so I just gotta trust my instincts, I think. So, but I got here okay, and we're having fun.
Yeah.
I never trust the GPS because I've been burned before by GPS. So, okay, whoa, ease it up. You can a little bit longer. Not the stick, more the hot dog. Not right in the flame, just like above the flame. Yeah.
That.
Yeah. Just like here. Okay. Just like right here. Just so it kind of licks it. Licks the flame. So I forgot ketchup. Maybe we could put it in a wrap or something.
Yeah.
Or would you just eat it like that?
I think a wrap would do.
Yeah.
Better. Because it won't fall apart.
That's true.
And then I think mine's done.
Alright.
Then I'll put.
You want a plate or something?
Yeah. I think I'll get back to clean. You should have. Tasted a break. Oh, you shaken it. Yeah. I wanted to shake it.
What is it?
That was amazing, Daddy.
Want another one?
Yeah, sure. I'll grab one.
Okay, you give me the plate now. Hot tamale.
Hot tamale. There we go. See the pencil size. Just licking the fire. Just licking. I just turn it every time
Yeah.
it hits the flame.
Good hot dog.
I know, it has a good get to it. How skinny is this stick? This part. There we go.
Okay, you want to get on the other side? Yeah. Push this down like that.
We're gonna be sleeping up this day.
Good.
I'll take my shoes off and hop in.
Okay. So take the corner and put it on a corner. Yep.
Let's shove whatever.
Yep. Just tuck it in. Alright, let's get our sleeping bags.
My sleeping bag is over there.
Is it on my side?
No, it's on the table. I just
Okay.
I just put it there to
Yep.
not fall on me. Now we go in the middle. You know where that yellow pillow can go? That's in the middle.
Sure.
And then like it splits both of us. Oh. So I'm just gonna pull it out. Just gonna unravel it.
Alright, Jesse, what are we doing, man?
We're just getting ready to sleep and that stuff, but we're not going to sleep yet. We're gonna be doing s'mores and that stuff with them and Joshy and them, or Uncle Matty and Joshua.
Nice.
So it's a little bit late out today. It's really
So what do you think of the sleep setup?
it's pretty good.
Should we test it out?
This is amazing. This is really cool for me that I got to sleep in a car again. But like, this is amazing. So
You getting excited?
Yes, I'm really excited.
Awesome. Alright, let's get this all situated
Yep.
so it's ready for when we want to go to sleep.
Yep. I'm just gonna go on the other side and
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Alright, so we're getting ready for bed. Well, not for bed, just getting our beds ready. And yeah, I'm gonna
right here.
Ah, you scared me. Oh, I'm gonna fall.
If you guys wanna stick with us, we're thus getting ready. If you wanna see my dad in a really puffy sleeping bag, wait for the end.
Yeah.
You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
Morning, everyone. Morning, Jesse.
Hey. We just woke up. It's raining right now. We came up a couple minutes ago. It was raining still. I went pee, and my dad and me went pee. So we came back. We mostly just cleaned up a little bit
Around the site.
Yep. Some stuff was wet, so I got to go out and grab it, but I'm fine with that.
So how'd you sleep?
Good. The sleeping bag keeps me alive.
Kept you nice and warm, toasty?
Yep.
That's good.
Yeah, last night I couldn't make it because I had something wrong with my tummy. So that was a little bit bummer, but I feel better, and let's keep watching.
So last night, we had to cut the evening a little short because Jesse had an upset stomach. So we had to find a bathroom, and yeah, and it was, and then we got by the campfire, and he said, I just want to go to bed, so, so yeah, that's okay. I'm just glad you're feeling better now. And I wasn't even thinking that way when I was packing, that someone could be sick, like in that way. So yeah, so that's just another thing that I need to add to the list of things that I should always have on hand. I usually have like the essentials, so like a first aid kit and Advil and Tylenol, but I should probably add some Pepto-Bismol pills or something. Yeah. So that'll be good to remember. You remind me to add that to our list, okay?
Yeah. But that's fine. I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
Uncle Maddie and Josh are here.
Yeah.
They are like sleeping because they got in really late.
Yeah, they got in pretty late last night.
They probably got in like probably 8:30 or something.
No. They were in closer to 11 o'clock, I think. You know, in the dark, it's pretty hard to find a campsite, so... Yeah, honestly, I slept pretty well for sleeping in a Jeep. I took the cushions from the trailer, as you guys saw previously, and they worked like a charm. For legroom, that was my only problem. I'm not that tall, but I'm a sleeper that has to have my arms out and my legs stretched out, so kind of sleep like the Air Jordan symbol, so legs up, arms up and legs out, so yeah. But all in all, at one point I was having such a good sleep that I forgot where I was, but yeah, so this is actually really fun.
Uncomfortable.
But right now we're kind of trapped in the Jeep because it's raining, and we were hoping to do some cooking over the fire, but I don't know if that's going to happen, so we might have to just get something out of the cooler that doesn't require the fire.
Yeah. That sucks though, but we still can have something.
Yeah, I've been having a great time regardless of rain.
And me too. I'm fine with that, but like, It was a little bit of bothering me when we were going to the bathroom.
Yeah.
And it was raining.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of fun. A splash fight with water.
Yeah. Yeah, you splashed me. It was really mean. I don't know why you did that.
You did. We'll be eating something in a couple minutes.
So Jesse.
Yep.
How's your girlfriend?
I don't have one.
What?
She went away.
Where'd she go?
She went to Ottawa for like 2 years.
Ottawa? Don't you mean Oshawa?
Oshawa. It's crazy. It's so hard.
Long distance relationships never work.
No.
No.
But now she moved back, so I'm a little bit happier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So when are you gonna propose?
I'm never gonna propose.
Why?
I don't want a girlfriend.
Oh, okay, that's good. Well, you'll eventually want a girlfriend when you're older, like me. You're not getting married? You do. I know. Alright, so yeah, hopefully we can salvage some sort of food and we'll get something going.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in.
If you guys want to stick with us, we're thus getting ready.